I would like to thank everyone who has subscribed to the channel over the last year, and wish you all the best for Christmas and the new year. This is my latest building project. It is a representation of Princetown engine shed, in 00 scale. I will be making the STL files available shortly on Thingiverse for you to download and print. Here you can see the back section of the building and also the roof sections. These are all printed using my Ender 3 machine. The main sections of the building I use a raft to help with build plate adhesion, as the print time is about 9 hours at 0.2 mm layer height setting. I do not use supports, so some cleanup will be required for the window openings. The windows, doors, downspout and roof vent I resin print on my Anycubic Photon Mono X printer, as I find the details come out better. The gutter sections I use the Ender 3 also. You could FDM print all the parts if you wished. The door handle may not look good though. I have also sorted out an improved servo movement for the CAN bus project. This will be shown at a later date. Thank you all for your support and comments.